Hey, what's going on, my friend? Justin Temple here with a quick video on multiple income funnel tutorial. So we're going to go over everything in the back office. It's basically going to be a back office tour. And so we're going to go over how to use everything inside a multiple income funnel in this tutorial. So please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. And again, my name is Justin Temple. I've been in network marketing for over a decade, 12 years now, and I actually decided to get started in network marketing when I was 16 years old, and I became a top 200 earner in my first program, and then I went out of business, and I didn't have much experience, so I just didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to go to another business and promote it. So I actually just went to a different business model, helping local businesses in a social media marketing agency. Did good with that, and then I started my own e-commerce store, and that was really awesome. I was making $300 per day with my e-commerce store, and then the shipping crisis happened in 2020. So I decided to come back to affiliate marketing and sell digital products because I didn't want to deal with customer service and shipping issues. And after 8 months of building this YouTube channel, I was able to earn my freedom and be able to supplement my income, never have to work a job again, never have to answer to a boss, fire my boss, and be able to escape the matrix. So you can do the same thing. Just go ahead and work hard, make videos, go ahead and get traffic to your business opportunity, and even message some people on Facebook and post on Facebook, and you'll be able to get there over some time. So I actually coach people on my team how to do everything the right way successfully and build your own email list while you do it. So that way you can have a long-term sustainable business. So let's get into this multiple income funnel tutorial really quick. So the multiple income funnel, here's what you're going to see when you very first get started. You're going to watch this video, and then you're going to click on step 2, and you're going to step 1, watch this video, and then you're going to do right here, join the Facebook group. Okay, and then the second thing is you're going to click on step 2, and you're going to be able to get started in all 4 income streams, and then you're going to be able to go to step 3, which is going to talk about your e-wallet. Okay, so you're going to set up your e-wallet. Click here to set up your e-wallet, and then you can go to back office tour, and it will walk you through all of the back office. Basically another tutorial. This is basically what you are watching right now, essentially. So that is the front end of the multiple income system in the tutorial for the front end. And so that's what people are going to do when they join your team, is they're going to watch this video, set up their income streams. You're going to earn commissions. They're going to set up their e-wallet, and then they're going to watch a back office tour, and then they can click right here for start promoting. Okay, so here's your links right here. So again, you're going to do start here, and then at the end of the 4 steps, you're going to click on start promoting, and that will take you to this page right here, links, and here's all your capture pages. Now, I actually don't recommend you buy traffic to these pages because you don't want to build max list. You want to build your own email list. So that's why I actually recommend the Home Business Academy funnel builder. I actually will help you build pages inside a multiple income funnel that look just like multiple income funnel. So you don't have to worry about the capture pages. I'll set those up for you inside of HBA. And like for example right here, here's my funnel builder. Let me do that again. Click right here. And then when we scroll down, inside of the Home Business Academy, I don't have to do much, but I'll set it all up for you. I just go right here, click on MIF, and here's all the pages. Like, you don't have to make it from scratch. They're just all right here. Okay, and then you just connect the form to your email list, and now you're building your own email list. So, like, just an extra 3 minutes of effort, and you're able to start to send traffic from Traffic Authority to your own capture pages and build your own list, which will help you make way more money because then you can control your business. These capture pages only follow up with their leads for 45 days. So if you decide to send traffic to any one of these capture pages, then you're only going to have 45 days worth of follow-up going to those emails, and then Mac has those leads, and he's going to do whatever he wants with those leads, okay? So you want to collect those leads with the Home Business Academy funnel builder. And again, it's a bonus on my team that I will actually set all of these pages up for you. So go ahead and check out the bonuses video. Okay, check out the bonuses video. The third link in the description. I have multiple income funnel bonuses right here, so you can check that out, okay? So, but anyways, let's go back to the tutorial. You can go ahead and do tracking links right here. And then you can also do create new tracking link. Okay, so select funnel, and you can choose which funnel you want to do. Lead capture page 1, and then to go to the VSL with timer or no timer, and then create tag, create link. Okay, and then there's even a tutorial on how to do that too. So everything has a tutorial. And then the next tab is training. Okay, so this is your multiple income funnel training on how to generate traffic, leads, and sales with organic free marketing, okay? And then here's additional training on how to get more conversions, become a better marketer, tell your story, get plugged in, become a product of the product, etc. Really good training. And then weekly training calls are recorded every week, and they're actually really good, high-quality training. The first part of the training that I attended was a back office tour, and then a training on how to do Facebook Reels. So they do really good on their weekly trainings. So make sure to show up there. And then the next tab is team. And it's basically just going to say date, my team member's name, and then their email. So I'm not going to click on that. And then leads is the same thing. It just like, you'll just see their contact info. So let's go to leaderboard. So here is the leaderboard for multiple income funnel. And I happen to be right here, number 8. So here's the big boys. Here's all-time referrals. Okay. So that's the leaderboard. Pretty cool. And then we got resources. So here's what is important for you. We got 7 email swipes right here. You're going to have web banners right here, social media images, Facebook post, and traffic. Okay. So so basically the main part is start here, and then I don't recommend you promote your links. So start here, training, and then resources. Okay. So now you're going to be able to access this right here. And then, on my business, this is actually really important. So you're going to have additional areas right here for your profile. And then here's the FAQ, customer support, and everything to get help with multiple income funnel. Now on the profile section, you're actually going to like set up your income streams. Okay, so here's the Home Business Academy, and then I'll give you the video for this, and then I'll give you the video for this, and whatnot. So then anyways, you can actually remove the income streams, and you can click update income streams for this, so that way you can actually set up your multiple income funnel system. So that's where you actually edit your income streams once you decide to get started in multiple income funnel, is the My Business section. And then the bonus income stream is My Lead Gen Secret. Click right here on Learn More. Watch this video. Decide to buy My Lead Gen Secret, and then put your 5-number affiliate ID here and click Save. Okay, that is basically the tutorial. In order to set up your traffic authority, you're going to come to My Business, and you're going to put in your traffic authority username right here, and then click Save. Okay, so that's how you edit that, because when you go ahead and go right here and go to traffic authority, it's not going to let you edit this. So if I do bitzone06, click save, it says it's a demo page. So the way that you set up your traffic authority is you just go to My Business, and then put your username right there after you've bought the resale license. So that is the multiple income funnel tutorial on how to use it. And again, so like the traffic sources to get traffic are going to be traffic authority, My Lead Gen Secret, and then organic marketing, and then your own email list if you decide to build your own email list. Okay. Now there's also the perpetual traffic contest. So you can come into here and potentially win traffic or dollars. So here's the daily disciplines. You come in here and you can actually do very simple tasks to be able to earn points. And this, a lot of these are every day. Some of them are every week. Like this one is every 2 weeks, but this one is every day. This one's every day. This one's every day. So that's really cool. You have prizes right here. The top prize is 1,000 clicks or $1,000. How cool is that? So then there's also details on how to earn the points. So that is the tutorial on multiple income funnel. Now another additional part that I like to mention with multiple income funnel is, I did mention it, but like the major thing is you don't want to buy traffic to the multiple income funnel pages, because you're not going to be able to collect your own leads. What you want to do is you want to buy the Home Business Academy as income stream 2, and then you can just go ahead and come into the funnel builder and you have all your pages right here. Just go and connect the form to your Aweber list, and boom, you're literally just building your own list. And now you can control and have more follow-up than 45 days. So their pages follow up for 45 days. You want to set it up for more than 45 days. So then after 45 days, you're the one that's actually following up with leads, and you're going to get more sales. Okay? Potentially. So not guaranteed. So that's the number one tutorial aspect of how to use multiple income funnel that I recommend, is get the Home Business Academy, use the Home Business Academy pages, and then build your own email list sending traffic authority traffic to multiple income funnel. Okay? And then what do I recommend for income stream 3? I recommend a nice, high quality, high ticket program. Okay? Something that you can earn $500+ per sale so that you can afford traffic. That's the real main thing, is you want, like, it's gonna, like, yeah, you earn $20 a month here, you earn $20 a month here, even $100 a month here. So the income potential per month is 20 plus 120, so that's $140 a month. And then you got the income stream with bonus income stream here. I think you earn like $5 a month on that or something. So $145 per month. If you get 2 people into your multiple income funnel, you're going to be able to afford residual, monthly traffic, and traffic authority. If you get 1 sale in income stream 3, you'll be able to get traffic packages as well, because the traffic packages and traffic authority start at $220. So then you'll be able to get a $500 sale and purchase a the second traffic package for $440, which is the bronze. I think it's the bronze. So you really, really want to use the Home Business Academy, because once you have 2 members at both of these products, you're going to be able to afford traffic, and then 1 sale from here is going to be able to afford traffic. So everything's going to be put back into traffic to build your MIF system, to build your other income streams, to then buy more traffic, to then buy to then build MIF, right? So that's the perpetual system, and that's how you can make potentially no money guaranteed. Most people make $0 in affiliate marketing because they don't listen to instructions, but that's how you're going to be able to make money online. So thank you so much for watching this multiple income funnel tutorial. Your next step is to click the button down below and visit my website. So click the link in the description. The first link in the description will bring you right here to my website, and you will go ahead and click the button. Then you will enter your name, your email, and you will click the button again to be able to proceed to the next step, where you will be able to decide to pull out your credit card and purchase the multiple income funnel system right now, because it is the highest quality marketing system on the market right now. So go ahead and decide to click the link down below, visit my website, click the button, enter your name, your email, click the button, and then decide to pull out your credit card and purchase your copy of the multiple income funnel system. I do have a ton of team bonuses on my team. The third link in the description will be about my multiple income funnel bonuses, so you can check that out if you want to. But go ahead and click the link down below, visit my website, click the button, enter your name, enter your email, and click the button again.